Hello everyone, in this video I am going to create a conical slanting roof using the roof command in Revit, which is pretty easy and there is nothing quite complicated in it. So I have opened the project file and here I have selected the roof command. By default the roof is going to be placed on level 2 floor plan, and then I have selected this circle from the draw toolbox and I have drawn a circle with a slope defined. Then I have exit the roof mode, and here you can see it is this conical roof, and you can increase or decrease the value of slope according to how you want the height of that conical roof. So now I want a pitched roof with a curved slanting uh, part of it, and I want it to be joined with this. So I've again selected the roof command, and here I am going to draw the plan for that roof. Let's place this line here. Then I'm going to mirror it from the center, and then select this arc command and join these two lines like this. Then select this line and place it like this. So it is a closed loop, and three of its sides have slope values, whereas this one line on the right side does not have any slope. So now click OK, and you can see that this is how this part of the roof is created. You can also change the slope values or move the arrow command on the pitched roof to increase or decrease the slope. Now join this roof, both of these roof, and using the join roof command. And now if you want to delete this extra part within the conical roof and the pitched roof, for that select the dormer command in the structure tab and select the path, select the lines, draw the lines like this, and make sure it is a closed loop like this. So once it is a closed loop, click OK, and you can see that the cut has been created within these two parts of the roof. And now if you will increase the slope, you can see that the the profile of the cut is also changed. So creating a conical roof is pretty easy in Revit, and I hope you like this tutorial, and I will be back with a new tutorial very soon. And before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day.